Contracts Basic Rules. In this tutorial, you will discover the three types of contracts creation, the different types of contracts, the parameters connected with contracts, and the documents you have to refer to when filling in the contract slip. There are three types of contract creation in HOMERE: new contract, renewal, and amendment. We use new contract for an employee who never works for MSF before, or for an employee who worked previously for another MSF operational center. We can also use it when the employee worked previously for our MSF operational center and whose last contract was settled. We use the type of creation renewal when an employee's contract expires and MSF offers the person a new contract for the same position. We use it also for an employee already under contract before HOMERE system was implemented in the project. We use amendment for an employee already under contract but who is changing positions. We use it also for employees under contract who will replace another staff member. We have then 6 different types of contracts. Fixed-term contract, a contract ending on a particular date. We have open-ended contract, a contract with no end date set in advance. We have incentives. So this type of contract is used for employees of other organizations working in collaboration with MSF. For example, employees of the Ministry of Health. We have contract of replacement. We use it in case a person is recruited for a fixed-term period to replace another employee. We have emergency intervention contract. It's for staff who work on a fixed-term period to respond to an emergency situation in a regular project. For example, staff recruited to deal with a measles epidemic occurring in a regular HIV/AIDS project. And then we have other. This type of contract is to use only if all the other types of contract are not applicable. In connection with contracts, we have 3 important parameters: the function grid, the payroll calculation, and the salary scale number, also called salary grid. The function grid is a scale divided in categories and levels that lists all the possible positions within the organization. All MSF contracts are connected to a function grid, and this grid is defined by the headquarters. The payroll calculation is a set of formula in a table which reflects the elements to take into account to determine the monthly salary of an employee. For example, calculation of taxes to be deducted from the gross salary, etc. All MSF contracts are connected to a payroll calculation table, and this payroll is defined by the HR coordination. The salary grid is a scale that sets the gross salary of an employee based on the level of his position in the function grid and his seniority within MSF. All MSF contracts are connected to a salary grid, and this grid is defined by the HR coordination. The function grid, the payroll calculation, and the salary scale number, or salary grid, are provided by the HR coordination team in the capital. When working on contracts in HOMERE, we should refer to the following documents: internal regulation and administration and HR guideline. They are established according to MSF HR policy and the host country legislation. In this tutorial, you discovered the 3 types of contract creation, the 6 different types of contracts, the parameters connected with contracts, and the documents you have to refer to when filling in the contract slip. Now, we recommend you to watch also the following related tutorial videos: how to create a contract, how to renew a contract, how to amend a contract, and how to settle a contract.